Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites. Your device runs iOS 14. 0 or later, you have 1+ GB free and you're signed into Apple ID. Once done, open the App Store and search precisely for Total Football. Make sure spelling matches the publisher. If you see the app, tap Get and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or password. This step starts the download and installation. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi for faster, more reliable transfer. If the app doesn't appear, do not panic. There are common causes and fixes. First, confirm your App Store region matches where the app is published by checking Apple ID Media and Purchases country/region. Once adjusted, sign out and back in, then retry the search. Alternatively, request an official test flight beta invite from the developer. That can bypass storefront limits. Also, make sure iOS is updated and screen time restrictions aren't blocking. After installation, launch Total Football and grant requested permissions so features run correctly. You can adjust later in settings if needed. If the app fails to install or crashes immediately, delete any partial download, reboot the device, then reinstall from the App Store. Make sure your Apple ID purchase history shows the download. If problems persist, contact the developer with your iOS version, device model, and App Store receipt. This provides diagnostic details and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.